Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Have a good day.
Alright, this is a 4-inch dryer vent brush. The round portion on the top here is your feeder ball. It helps with circumnavigating the 90 degree and 45 degree elbows inside the venting system. So I've got it attached on the first 4 feet of a rod. Let's see what happens. How about that? Look at that. This is just from 4 feet. The first 4 feet. Boom. That's quite a bit. This is relatively newer lint. As pointed out, I can smell the fabric softener. It's kind of fluffy. I'm going to vacuum that up now. I'm actually kind of surprised at how much, but I shouldn't be. Because coming in, talking with the customer informed me that it was taking, on high heat, the dryer is set up at high heat, it's taking 2 full cycles to get the clothes dry. So that was an indication we had it clogged from the get-go. So once again, as I said, I run my brush all the way up to 4 feet, bring it back out, then I vacuum out the particulate. Now what we're going to do is put in the next 4 feet. We'll go up the first 4, and then we'll add on the next plate. And the one thing that when you have these drills and you're disconnecting the rods, you want to make sure that you got a firm grip on this, because as you reverse this to disconnect the thread, you don't want to disconnect the brush inside the pipe. I've had that happen a few times, and it's solvable, but it's a lot more work that you're putting on yourself that you don't have to. Additionally, so I'm connecting the rods. I'll connect that all the way. I'll push it in a little bit. I'll bring this back. I won't trust my memory, and I'll verify that the drill is in going the right direction before I try to attach this. Once again, that would cause potentially the pipes or your brush to disconnect inside the wall, which is not what you want. Let's see what, yeah, sometimes that happens. We'll add an awkward angle. Here we go. Okay, can you see what's coming out of it? All right, let's see what we got here. We're all the way up 8 feet. Up, 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 up. Look at this. That is a tremendous, look at this. Look at this. And we got a leaf in there too. This is a lot of lint. There's no wonder that the customer is not able to dry, even running it for 2 cycles on high heat. This thing, the dryers are rated for 4 inches of clear pipe, less than 25 feet in total length, and when you don't have that, you have dryer time issues with drying your clothes, burning out your dryer, wearing your clothes out prematurely, etc. So having your dryer vent serviced by someone that knows what they're doing is highly worth your money.